So we had back-to-back winners on gold. Now we have one more here on crude at 9:58, 10 o'clock. 79.79 was the fill. We, of course, are coming up strong here. High of day overhead. We got to see green pace of a tape. Large buyers. We got those. We broke above my swing high level, and there's your breaker pattern long. Again, +4 scratch, 10 ticks, or 100 USD on the breaker pattern long on crude. So once again, another little scratch trade there, right? Another little scratch trade there, and we'll continue to keep padding our pockets, guys, with these small scratch trades. Next up on crude as well. Now at 10:53. Okay, so about an hour later here now on crude. Short-term trend is up. We have the high of day here overhead, so we're looking for shorts. We mark up our swing low, take the break off that high of day for a two-step short at 10:53. 94 was the fill. We got only the +4 on this one, guys. Didn't get anything more than +1 times 4 ticks, so +4 ticks or $40 there on this second to last trade of the day here. And then finally, guys, we finished up our day here on gold. Now this was that big winning trade we were waiting for, right? We talked earlier about how we're going to take trades according to our rules. Some will be small winners, some might be larger winners, some might even be losses. In the end of the day though, right, we look for the quality patterns. Now this was a great example using the dollar and the gold correlation here. Notice the dollar on the left side, the gold on the right. Okay, on the left side, notice how we have the dollar here trying to break below support. Okay, support on the dollar is going to equal resistance on the gold. Now at this point, right, we've been watching this chart right here building up steam, trying to break above those highs, and we were watching very patiently. If you guys were with us this morning, right, we knew exactly what was going on around this time. We knew to keep watching that level of support. But then all of a sudden, we saw the price begin to drop in the dollar. We then saw a big flood of buyers on the gold, and boy, wouldn't you know it, then it starts to launch. We take the long, of course, at 10:46. 29.9 was the fill. Got our first profit target of +4, and then just as you can see, this big run up here, we have, of course, +40 and 40. It literally filled my second and third targets in a matter of 5 seconds. So we got in after we saw, right, the dollar begin to break below its support. Remember, guys, support on the dollar, right? We watched support on the dollar. Once we broke that support to the downside, we knew then, right, the gold was probably going to have the ability to now jump to the upside. At the time it was breaking support in the dollar, we saw all kinds of buyers flooding the market, momentum pointing up. Almost impossible to resist this trade, guys. And of course, we got in, of course, above our swing high for our breaker pattern long. $880, guys, in this trade. An 88 tick winner, +4, +40, +40. 2 off at 4, 1 off at 40, 1 off at 40, guys. And like I said, right, these are those winning trades we wait for patiently all day long. We don't know when they're going to show up, but we know they will if we focus on the right trade to take. Total it all up, guys, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 total trades, 132 ticks in the day, 1320. And the biggest trade, I might add, of the year so far, 88 ticks there at 10:45. Let's prep for tomorrow. Now, Wednesday, March 3rd, we got a relatively busy morning tomorrow. Now, at 7:30, we got our Challenger job report. 8:15, we have our ADP employment number. 9 o'clock, ISM manufacturing. At 10:30, we'll do our crude oil inventories. So you can see, kind of a busy morning starting off at 7:30. So you want to be here for us 8 o'clock tomorrow when we open up. And, of course, we'll take advantage of that 8:15 ADP employment report. All right, so Trade Room opens up tomorrow morning, 7:45 Eastern Time. We have free webinars on Tuesdays and Thursdays. We did a great webinar today on tape reading. It was a fantastic presentation. Hope you guys learned a lot about that. If you want more information about our setups and our entry rules, check out the beginner's course. And for more information, guys, about lifetime membership, we may still have some old discount coupons hanging out from February. We had a great month of February. Make sure you guys email our sales team, sales@schooloftrade.com. That's 800-381-2084. My name is Joseph James. Thank you so much for your time today, guys. What a wonderful day using the dollar index, the gold and crude. Of course, that very important correlation. And don't forget, guys, in the description of this video, there's a link to the blog. And on our blog, we just posted that brand new article. Again, guys, hope the video helps. We'll see you guys